Hi, welcome to FilesDNA tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to share a document. Right-click on your PDF and select Share. Pick a user you want to share the document with. We have multiple options here. We can add expiry date, we can allow the user to download the document, and we can edit document permission. In this example, we will add download file and read-only options. Click on Submit. The document has been shared. Now I will log in into my other account and check the document. Click on Shared Documents. We have pending document here. Click on Actions and select Open Edit. The read-only option will only allow to leave comments. Click on Comments and add one. You can either type your comment or record a voice message. You can choose if your comment will be private or public. Save your comment. Well done. You have learnt how to share a document. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you next time.